The next movement is called shoulder bridge, but this really targets the hamstrings and glutes. You can have your feet on the foot bar or on the floor, but you want somewhat of a light spring so that the hamstrings really have to engage. Roll down, and if your feet are on the foot bar, you're in the middle of the foot, between the ball and the heel. Knees or shoulders distance apart, and you're going to roll up one vertebrae at a time, the rib cage, up into those shoulders, and then lower it back down. One more time, exhale on the lift, roll and round up that spine, and then sink through the rib cage to come down. The biggest mistake I see on this is people lifting, but leaving part of the rib cage lifted and not rounding and scooping through those glutes. They miss half the movement and they compress the spine and roll down. And that is a shoulder bridge targeting the hamstrings and glutes.